Hey, it's Robbie McCarty with Patriot Crawl Space Repairs, and what I want to talk about today are structural floor repairs. So when we talk about structural floor repairs, we're talking about repairing damaged wood under the home. So mainly that means floor joist, girder beams, sill plates, subfloor repairs, band board, all of the structural members that support the floors and walls of your home. A lot of times people think that when you have sagging floors or soft floors that it's an actual foundation issue, like the supports that go down to the ground in your home or your foundation are actually damaged. But more often than not, it's wood damage, maybe in the form of sagging wood or even rotted wood. And usually what causes that is moisture. So over the years, if you have moisture in your crawl space, then what basically happens is mold and fungus grow on the wood because that moisture creates a good environment for them to grow in. And then that mold and fungus will eventually rot the wood or weaken it and cause it to sag. So a lot of times when we go evaluate a crawl space, if there's wood damage, then we look at, hey, what are we going to have to do to correct this? Which, number one, we need to stop the source of the moisture, or it's just going to keep occurring and you're going to keep getting damage over the years. And some of the repairs that we do for structural floor repair are sistering joists, replacing girder beams, replacing sill plates. We actually support the underside of minor subfloor damage, things like that. So it's essentially engineered carpentry repairs or structural carpentry repairs under the home. These aren't the simplest repairs. It's really hard work. You're in a confined space. So we employ direct Class A technicians that have a lot of experience in doing this because it's kind of a specialty trade, and you have to really know what you're doing. We always, if we have a complicated repair, have our engineer look it over and make sure that our design and plan for the repairs is correct and in line with structural engineering best practices. And then we're always going to get a building permit when we have a major repair under the home. So in general, that's how we approach as a company structural floor repairs. I would say, just to be frank, we're probably the best in Hampton Roads at doing these types of repairs. We have the most contractor and engineer knowledge, and we're smaller, so the actual owner of the company looks at all of the crawl spaces to devise a repair plan, which just makes, when you're doing structural repairs, the repairs only is as good as the original plan. So if you have issues at your home where you think you may need structural repairs or just want to find out whether there's an issue or whether anything's damaged, then give us a call, visit our website. I'll come out and personally take a look at it and just let you know what I'm seeing and if there's anything needed for correction. Again, my name's Robbie McCarty with Patriot Crawl Space Repairs. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and make it a great day.